Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
I'm going to try to be quick with this question. I know we're on limited time. So, Sheikh, I've got a friend who has been dealing with kufr and shirk thoughts for a while, and it has reached the point where he doubted whether he believed in them or not. And he knows that if you doubt Islam being true, you are a kafir. So he has been living like that for a few months, but still tried to maintain obligations like prayer, fasting, etc., because he is sincere and really doesn't want to be a disbeliever. And that hopefully Allah would help and guide him. Now he has reached the point where he wants to say his shahada and repent, but fears it won't be valid and fears that it won't last long until he falls to such a terrible thing again. He knows the prayers, fasts, etc. are most likely not valid or accepted from him at all. How does he go about making up the fasts and prayers because he really wants to and wants to also pay his zakat, though it's been over a year? In general, he wants to not have to worry if his Islam will be and stay valid or not. So basically, if he were to say the shahada and repent, how does he make up those missed obligations so that he can maintain being Muslim, and how can he maintain being Muslim in general?
First of all, Akhi Mas'ud, this brother of yours needs counseling. No matter what people say to him, he is in a vicious cycle. So no matter where he goes, he's going to go back again to square one. And this is how shaitan works. I could answer you in a quick manner and say he doesn't have to make up any fasting or any prayers at all. Full stop. Do you think he's going to be happy with that? No way, Jose. He's going to initiate 10 more questions. And he will post it to you and you won't be able to answer. And he will confuse you as well. That is, if it's not you who's suffering from this. Of course it's not you, inshallah. Why would it be you? Anyhow, the point is, the essence of the problem needs to be resolved and removed once and for all. And it is very, very simple when you sit and speak with people who know what is going in your mind. And I would simply say, your friend has not fallen into kufr to begin with. All of this is from shaitan. The aim and target, short term, is that he repeats the shahada over and over again every day, 10, 15 times. The long-term objective is to get him out of the fold of Islam. If he doesn't solve this once and for all, it's going to be like this. And I have track records of people that have fallen into this. The answer and the solution is very easy, but we have to talk about it, and Allah knows best.